Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create PlayStation account on your iPhone. First of all, you'll have to open any kind of browser on your phone. For example, I'm going to go with Safari. And from your browser here on the search bar, you'll have to type www.playstation.com just like this, and then tap on go, and then it will take you to the PlayStation web browser. Just like this, here you can see I'm going to select my country just like that, and it will take you to another page. So after doing that, here you can see we have got to another page, and in this page you can see the sign in option on the top right corner. Simply tap on that option, then it will take you to the sign in page, from which you'll have to now tap on create an account. So after tapping on create an account, we will get to the account creation page where you'll have to again tap on create. So after doing that, here again you'll have to select the country or a region. So here if you simply drag this button down like this, here you can now select the country or region. And after doing that, here you can also select the language according to the country and region, and then you can tap on next. And now you'll have to enter your date of birth. So after entering your date of birth, tap on next again. And now in here, you'll have to now enter your email address and create yourself strong password for your PlayStation account. Here you'll also have to re-enter your password. Just like this, here you can see I have entered my email address, and I have also created myself a strong password, and I have also re-entered the strong password that I just created. So after you've done that, here again tap on next. And now in here you'll have to add your city and the state or province and the postal code. And just like this, here you can see I have written the city, state or province and the postal code. Now again tap on next. Now after you've done that, here you'll have to create yourself an online ID for your PlayStation. That basically means your username. So you can simply select from the few suggestion list, or you can create yourself. And in here you'll have to now write down your first name and your last name. So in here now, these are the terms and conditions of the PlayStation. Here you can see it says that select how you would like to receive information about new products or special offers. So if you want to do that, you can select the receive via email, or receive via notification on console, or receive via notification on PlayStation app. But if you don't want these, you can deselect it like this too. So after you've done that, tap on agree and create account. And now in here you can see we have now successfully created ourselves the PlayStation account on your iPhone. You can simply tap on OK, and then you can simply sign into your account through the browser or the PlayStation application. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.